I just want to do another shout out for my Carnivore Crisp. These are so good. I have had so many customers say that they love them for Christmas, for stocking stuffers. But for those men in your life that you don't know what to get for, your son-in-law or whatever, these are awesome. And like I have said before, I like the beef ribeye, but you can see here that Richard and I got him the elk and the bison. I like the bison. I don't really like the elk so much, but ribeye is my favorite. They are so, so good. These are still my favorite. And if you buy a big enough bag, you could eat the whole bag and use it as a meal replacement. But they're 100% grass-fed, and there's only 2 ingredients, the meat and the salt. And they're freaking amazing. And you can see how much protein are in these. So remember, if you go to Carnivore Crisp, this is how you spell it, Carnivore Crisp, go to their website, and I got a code. Glitter is my special code. If you use this code, you'll get 10% off. So this is just a really great, it's a great gift for anybody, but really I heard from a couple of my customers, and then one of my customers had called me yesterday to get the Merry and Bright kit, and she's like, oh, I just want to tell you I love the Carnivore Crisp. I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so good. Her favorite was the chicken, which mine is the chicken too. So it's making my mouth water just talking about them. They're so delicious. So if you guys are interested in that, you guys want more information on it, everything is really clean. It's great for carnivore and keto, and there's no sugar added too. So, but if you guys just want a really healthy snack, because they do feel like a chip. So we have also used these with dip too. So if you want to dip them, like with ranch or whatever, I mean, you can do that too, but just know that the Carnivore Crisps are really, really clean. Plus, if you go to the website, they have a bunch of other stuff. So if you want, like, like when flour, like when you're cooking chicken and stuff, the flour is like overly processed. Plus, they take stuff out and put chemicals and additives in the flour. Carnivore Crisp have like a flour that's made from meat. And I haven't tried it yet, but if you guys end up trying that, let me know what you think about it, because I'm going to try that soon, but I haven't tried it yet. But if you want like a cleaner flour, like Flour for like frying chicken or whatever you use flour for, that's an alternative that you can try. And again, anything that you buy over there on the website, use the word glitter, like Glitter Queens, and you'll get 10% off your whole order. That's what's great about it. I love it.